Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make your tables look more beautiful. While doing that, I will use booktabs package. Here I already created a table for you. I use multi-column and I also use C-line comments while doing that. If you want to learn more about how to create such a table, I recommend you watch our video by clicking the link above. Now this is a regular table. Let me just copy and paste it below, and let's say a table with booktabs package, because basically we will modify this table. Let's compile and you see that these two tables are now the same. In order to use booktabs, let's load it by using use package command and booktabs. Now we will change these H lines in our table. For example, for the first H line, which is the top vertical line, we can use toprule instead. Let me compile and you see the difference. As you can see, it's thicker than H line. And for C line comment, we can use cmidrule comment. And again, I am giving 1, 2 as the input. And as you can see, it just created a gap between the rows and the line. Now the lines look more professional and they look more beautiful. Also, we can change this H line just above produce and type and make it midrule because it's in the middle of the table, and it will give some gap between the line and the text. And lastly, for the line at the bottom, we can use bottomrule comment. Now as you can see, our table already looks more beautiful. The nice thing about these rules, for example top rule, you can change the width. To do that, we are entering an optional argument. For example, if I want to make it 1 millimeter, and if I compile, now it's 1 millimeter. Of course, it's a little bit thick now, so let's keep it 0.3, but you can change to any number. Maybe the default is better. Also, the nice thing about cmidrule comment is that you can trim the line. Right now, the line ends just in between of the second and third column. If you want to trim it, we just open a parenthesis here and specify R. R means I am trimming the line from right. When you compile, you will see that now the line under the item ends where cherry ends. So they are now aligned. But you can also trim it in a specific value. For example, let's trim it 1 centimeter, and it will trim it 1 centimeter. Okay, and let's take it back. If you want to trim it from left, you just need to type L here. Okay, so these top rule, cmidrule, midrule, and bottom rule are very powerful, and they make your tables look more beautiful, prettier. And I think that's all about booktabs package. I hope that it was helpful. Please leave a comment if you have any question, and see you in the next videos.